I'll show you how to do an oil change on the Scag with the Vanguard EFI 40. I haven't done one in a while, so bear with me. I think all you need is a 10mm wrench, which we have up here. Here's one of these. Then I'll grab the drain bucket, put it under here, and there's a hose. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but there's this hose right here that runs under the mower. I can't remember where it goes. Goes out right there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but you just loosen up this 10 mil here, loosen that up, and then pull this out, take this cap off. Jesus, that's on there tight. It's sat in the garage all winter, so that's why it's so tight. I'll take that off, let it drain out. I'll get a flashlight and show you where it drains. See it draining out right there. So I open that all the way up, untwist that all the way, and you can see it flows much better. I believe these hold about 2.5 quarts of oil. So then I grab another drain bucket. Oh, that's not gonna fit in there. I'm not gonna do that. I used to have a little bottle that I would use. So we let that oil drain for a little while. I'm going to use one of these trays right here just to try to collect some of this oil. So then you just clean up this surface here, just like you would any other oil change. Now you don't have to, but I take a little drip of this oil, just lube up that seal. Throw it on, cinch it down pretty good. Clean that all up. Take this out. Throw it in the waste oil. just sit there, finish cleaning that up later. And then once that oil stops draining, I'll let it drain for a little longer. Once that oil stops draining, just close this up, and then fill the oil up. Alright, so I think that's about done draining. It's just dribbling a little bit, but that's good. We can close it. I better order a new belt for this to have on hand. So then we snug that up. Make sure the oil filter is good. Nothing underneath it. And then we fill the oil. And I believe this takes 2.5 quarts of oil. Let me double check though. Yep, it takes 2.5 quarts. I'm gonna use this 530 full synthetic motor oil. I don't know, you use whatever you want. This is the first time using anything other than the Vanguard motor oil, but I don't really think there's too much of a difference. Could probably do it without the funnel. We'll see. I'll set it on the workbench. Check the level. I got about another little over a quart to go. So I've had this Scag. I bought it about a year ago and used it all last season. I don't know how many hours I have on it, 300 and something. Only had one issue, and that was the oxygen sensor went bad on it. They replaced it under warranty, got me in that day, gave me a loaner, got it done. And the other issue too is when you're mowing, this oil dipstick will unseat itself and it'll pop up. And I don't think it pops up enough to get anything down in the engine, but it's just something to take note of. So you push it in like that, and then all of a sudden you'll look at it after mowing and it'll be up like that. I don't know what causes it, but so it's about 2.5, maybe a little under 2.5. Put a little dab in there. Then put the oil cap back on. Maybe without cross threading it. That should not have been that hard. I don't know what's wrong with me. But so we got the cap back on, got the oil filter on and tight, and that drain plug is closed and tight, and it's not leaking any more oil. So then we'll start it up. We'll check the oil. So we're good. It's right in the middle of the hash marks. So we're all set. And that's how you change the oil on your Scag with the 40 horsepower Vanguard motor. And then they give you this sheet in your owner's manual, and I just write down the date and the hours. And that is it.